Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do a recap. Happy Friday! Um, this morning I didn't really like anything that I was watching. I was nothing really popped out at me, and that I just didn't really like anything. But Uber, it did have a catalyst and some great volume this morning, so I did have that. On my screen watching that. And so it opened really messy. And so I gave it time to calm down to see what was happening. I was really watching it for an opening range breakdown, is what I thought is what I was kind of watching for. So once it made a new 5-minute low and a new 15-minute low, I went short, and then I really scalped it, and then stopped myself out. I wasn't confident in the direction that it was going yet. So as I continued to sit and watch it, as you can see on the 1 minute, once it went up through the VWAP, it was having a really hard time getting through this previous day low area. And then here comes the 100 moving average on the 1 minute. And so, and then you had the 5-minute indecision candle. And so that was my main signal to keep watching it, for it to lose that VWAP. So once it made a new low on the, and it broke through that VWAP, I went short. I did take a quick first partial because of the way it was moving in the morning. I wasn't super confident in the trade. And after I did that, I went ahead and set my stop loss back up to break even, because I figured if it whipped down here and then went straight up through the VWAP, it was gonna continue to go higher. So I was just protecting my profits at that point. So once it reached down this level right here, this 32.81, which is a level I had marked from the daily, I took my second partial, and on the 1 minute, as you can see, the volume came in and it threw up a hammer, and then I thought maybe it was putting in a double bottom and it was going to go back up. So I partialed again at this level. It came up and it tested the 9 moving average on the 5, and came back down, and I took another partial. I took another partial when it came down and then made a new high on the 1 minute. I took a partial. Just, I don't know. I probably shouldn't have, but I did. And then came back up, and then finally made it to this a previous day close, and that's when I exited majority of my position. And then I placed a stop order, or not a stop order, excuse me, a range order, because I was getting tired of babysitting this stock, or this trade. I had a range order put for the next. It was either going to make it to the next leg down, which was another level I had marked from the daily, or it was going to come up and stop me out, which it did. It came up and stopped me out at break even. I had very small shares left. I had probably less than 5% of my original size left. So, which doesn't shock me that it came up and tested these previous daily levels, and then went right back down. But overall, happy with the way this trade turned out, and happy with my Friday. So that's a good thing. I hope you all had a great Friday, and I will see you Monday, and have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.